Basetsana and Romeo Kumalo vs Jackie Phamotse, the saga continues. Jackie Phamotse has released the cover of her latest book, I Tweet What I Like So Sue Me, which suggests she's ready for round 2 with Basetsana and Romeo Kumalo after they took her to court for her tweets earlier this year, reports Sunday World. In July, Basetsana and Romeo were granted a protection order against Jackie by the Randburg Magistrates Court. This after, the court found that a tweet Jackie shared about a media mogul and her husband allegedly being involved in a gay sex tape resulted in widespread speculation, implicating Basetsana and Romeo. Jackie was instructed by the court not to mention Basetsana or Romeo on social media or make any allegations against them. Speaking to Sunday World, Basetsana and Romeo's lawyer Ian Levitt said the Kumalos were ready to take on Jackie if she breaches the court order in any way. There is a court case order against Phamotse and criminal charges have been laid against her. If she breaches the court order in any way, our client will take action against her both civil and criminal in nature. If Phamotse has no regard for court orders, then she behaves at her peril, he told the paper. The paper also reported that Basetsana had opened a new case at the Midrand police station against Jackie for violating the court order. Jackie told SUBCRIBE that she was gatball about of talking about the saga and that nothing had been served to her yet. I really can't talk about it anymore at this present moment. I don't know yet if they have served the papers, it's Monday morning so I have no idea. She told SUBCRIBE. Jackie said she's ready for anything as far as legal routes are concerned and that she was not going to back down. Her book will only be available next year February but is now available for pre-order. Chatting to SUBCRIBE a day before her book launch for I Tweet What I Like, Jackie opened up about how she had to get police to escort her after she was followed by 2 strange cars. After the controversy that was sparked by Bear, the internet has been waiting in anticipation for the big reveal. I know that it is obviously because I have said my upcoming book will have real names in it. I'm launching the book on Thursday. I believe this was them trying to somehow get information or prevent the book from coming out completely or to sabotage it somehow, she said at the time.